In Pakistan, every government loves to talk about welfare. Free food, cash transfers, subsidies, all framed as relief for the poor. But if you listen closely, there is something missing in that conversation. No one talks about empowerment. Most of these welfare schemes come from taxpayers' money, money that belongs to the people, and yet they are presented as gifts from those in power. You will see smiling leaders handing out checks or food bags as if they're doing charity. But it's not charity, it's our money, public money turned into political theater. Different parties in Pakistan talk about welfare, but almost none talks about rights. Because rights make people independent, and independence make voters harder to control. When people depend on welfare, politicians become their lifeline. When people have rights, they no longer bow their heads, they raise their voices. And maybe that's why welfare is always louder in election season. It's not empowerment, it's advertisement. Welfare in itself is not wrong, it's needed, especially in a country where millions live below the poverty line. But the problem is how it's framed. It's rarely about justice. It's almost always about generosity. It's never, you deserve this. It's, we are giving you this. The subtle difference changes everything. It keeps people grateful, but not powerful. If welfare was treated as a right, as something every citizen is entitled to, it would give people dignity, not dependency. Imagine if we had the right to education truly implemented, the right to healthcare, the right to work, not as promises but as guarantees. Then no one could use poverty as a political slogan. Here's the irony. No political party in Pakistan spends its own funds on welfare. They all use public money, the same money collected from ordinary citizens through taxes. And then they call it their generosity. If these schemes are truly about compassion, why are they branded with party logos and leader photos? Why not with the name of the people who actually paid for them, the taxpayers? Because in truth, welfare has become a way to buy loyalty, a way to turn citizens into dependents. Real empowerment doesn't come from getting something for free. It comes from knowing that you earned it, or that you deserve it as a citizen of a just society. Rights don't depend on the kindness of rulers. They depend on the humanity of the governed. That's the difference between mercy and equality. Mercy flows downward, equality stands side by side. So yes, welfare can keep people alive. But rights can help them live with dignity. We don't need welfare that makes us say thank you. We need rights that let us say, this is mine. Because when governments turn people's money into political favors, they don't build empowerment, they build dependency. And that's the tragedy. The poor becomes grateful instead of powerful, and the powerful stays in power by keeping it that way. Maybe it's time we ask for more than welfare. Maybe it's time that we demand what's ours, not as gifts, but as rights. Welfare keeps us alive, but rights help us live. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.